Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, my beautiful girlies. It's Grace, and let's hop right in to this makeup tutorial. So for today's tutorial that we are hopping into, we are going to be following a makeup girlies video where I really was enthralled with the look that she did because she looked so beautiful, and she goes by the name of KaaylaDee on YouTube. I thought that her look was just super duper beautiful. I thought it was just so gorgeous, and I am super duper duper excited to recreate this look, and also just to get some tips of how to also, do my daily makeup routine better. So without further ado, y'all, let's hop right in to this makeup tutorial.
I'm gonna go in on contour, and I'm using this Sephora concealer. It's a full coverage concealer in the shade 61P. Now this, like I said, is full coverage, so a little really goes a long way. You do not need a lot of this product. As you guys can see, I only applied like very tiny dots on my face.
Alrighty, you guys, so what KaaylaDee has done so far in the video is that she has put on her primer, she's put on her foundation and her contour. I actually already have on my primer on. So next what we are going to do is our foundation and our contour. Alright, you guys, so I finished with my foundation and with my contour.
For blush, I'm using the e.l.f. Neo Camo blushes. This one is in the shade Coral Crush, and I'm applying this to the highest points of my cheekbones.
Alright, you guys, so the next thing that KaaylaDee did was that she applied on her concealer and a little bit of liquid blush, but I don't have liquid blush, so we're just gonna apply on our concealer instead. Alrighty, you guys, so we just finished with my concealer.
Pull my makeup together. I'm going in with the One Size setting powder in the shade Sweet Honey, and this is what's really gonna give me that filtered look.
Alright, you guys, so the next step that KaaylaDee did was that she basically baked her face. She also applied on bronzer, and she also filled in her eyebrows, but I don't have anything to fill in my eyebrows with or bronzer, so we are just going to have to bake instead. Alright, you guys, just got finished with baking.
Next, moving on to lips, I'm going to with my MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just outlining my lips and smudging it all together until it's super blended.
Alright, you guys, so there were a lot of steps that she did. Next, she did her, eyeshadow. Then she did her eyeliner, her blush, and then she did, yeah, I think that was it. It was like blush, eyeliner, eyeshadow, and yeah, that's what she did for the next step. So let's do it. Alrighty, you guys, so we are finished with this makeup look. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? I really like it. Only thing we didn't do was just like do the brows, but nevertheless, it was a great tutorial. I am going to link all of KaaylaDee's, information. I'm gonna link the video that was inspired, this video that I, followed, and also her YouTube channel. Please subscribe to her. She's amazing and she is so beautiful, and I loved this look so much. Please be sure to subscribe if you guys want any more makeup tutorials like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed. I hope that y'all will have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye, guys.